Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to find first day of the previous month for a given date and also the last day of the previous month for a given date. For example, here 26th July 15, I want the previous month's first day and the previous month's last day, which is previous month is June. I want 1st of June 2015 and 30th of June 2015. Okay, so similarly for all the dates here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is when you want to find the first day of the previous month, we use the function EO, end of month function. Okay, end of month. End of month has two arguments. One is the date and the months. It will give you end of month for any date or end of month for the previous month or end of month for the next month. So that calculation can be done by how many months you want to add to that. So for example, I have it this date, and if I put 0 for the current month, I put 0. I am not adding any months, so give me the end of months of this date's month. So obviously it is 31st of July 15. So July month itself, the end of month it is giving. If I move this one to -1, it will go to the previous month. Previous month, so June's end of month, which is 30th of June. So this way it is working. Now if I want the first day of June, so first day of previous month, but it can give me the end of month of June. So how can I get the first day of June? So what I will move for the June, May. So I minus of 2 months before end of month, it will give me the 31st of May, which is the 2 months before the last day. So what I will do, I will add one more day, then it will give me the previous month's first day. So this is a little bit tweaking way of doing with the EOMONTH, but it gives our flexibility, mental flexibility to work on dates when we have a complex criteria on dates. So similarly I will explain to you how to do very straightforward EOMONTH. I want end of month of this date before same time I minus of 2 months before what is the end of month. And I add 1 day, so it will become the first day of last month. 1st of July. So July, August, so first day of July. Similarly for every single date here, 1st October, 26th November, 1st October, November, and so on. So you got the first day of previous month. So now how to get the last day of previous month? We already done EOMONTH function. It is very easy. Minus of 1 we will get last day of previous month. I will explain to you. EOMONTH, you put a date and -1, which is last month, and function itself is returning the end of month, so it will return last day of previous month, 30th of June. I'll explain to you one more time. EOMONTH of, put the date to which you want the end of month. If you give 0, it will return the current month, which is August end of month, but I want minus of 1 month. That's it. 31st July 15, and so on. This way, see the full range of first day and last day of the previous month. September 1 to September 30th, 1st May to 31st May, and so on. This way you will get the first day and last day of the previous month for any given date. Okay, so hope these examples help you on your calculations on previous months, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.